So the weather is a little rainy. Perfect day to go prep the jumps. Hudson's getting into moto quite a bit, so getting them ready for the Supercross, Anaheim too, and just building some big jumps because I'm having fun riding, and then Hayden's getting ready on a Super Mini now, so getting that dialed in, and then getting ready for Supercross season. So that's going to be cool. I don't know who's going to win this year, but we're all excited to go check it out. And it's cool that Hayden gets to race on the next day. The amateur day is the next day, so that's that. And probably have a week of riding. Kids are still off for Christmas break, so it's all good. So we'll see what happens. And I'm building a course for Haley right now for the UTV. So try to get her out, get some practice going. I know it's been killing her waiting on the off season, not getting a race. So it's all good. We're all sitting ready to go. I think most people are on vacation, and we're just ready to get back to racing. So it's all good. Hudson grabs my phone and basically just calls everyone.
No, he grabs Hayden's too. And
I was like, come over, and people think it's me. I mean, I'm not saying, well, Matthew and they're cool, they're like them as a family, but just in general, everyone he calls and
comes over.
Come over. I'm like, Hudson, quit calling people with my phone.
What's up? We're here. I have pneumonia. I haven't really showered in 2 days. I just went to the gym this morning and brushed my hair, but it's all good. And now we're gonna go drive Polarises, and I kind of want to ride the dirt bike.
Who thinks we should do a dirt bike video with Haley?
I think we should do a dirt bike video. Comment down below if you. I don't really know how to ride a dirt bike. Like, I know how to ride one, but not like ride like Hayden. Like, I go like trail riding pit bikes with Hayden, but I don't like ride it, like race it. But like, I think we should do a video where like Hayden tries to teach me, just like he would try to teach me in general, because I really don't know how to do it.
Gotta clear a jump.
I don't know if I can do that. I'm just the person that's like, let's just go wide open, like rather overshoot it than case it type thing. So comment down below if we should try it. I think we should. I think it'd be cool. Maybe.
Yeah, Haley, come on, get up.
What?
You gotta be practicing.
Oh, stop!
Oh, like a racer. Getting in with you.
Yeah, you are.
It's gonna freeze me.
I can't read. What? I'm gonna try something.
Let me put a seatbelt on.
Ready? That was horrible. Mine was so
Triplet.
Triplet, got it. He's not gonna make it. Dude, look how lopsided the landing. If it clips around. What the heck?
Greased it.
That's another step up. There's a pretty cool step up over here.
How fast are you going?
That? Probably mid-speed. Just cruising.
We're gonna hit it. Dad raced Supercross for like 10 years. I have no sense of rhythm. I'm just like, I'm gonna hit it wide open because I'd rather overshoot it than to case it. Right?
Yeah, good.
What? Ready?
Oh, it came up so short.
Oh my god! That one hurt. I told you I have no sense of rhythm. I thought we were totally
You gotta go way faster.
I was like, my hand, it went good. Why does Dad's eye like so this and mine's just like, whoa? So Dad goes over and like he just is like whoop, and so I'm like, okay, so I think I just go like whoop, and I was like maybe even a little more whoop, but like it wasn't enough whoop, and so like I like went whoop, and like it wasn't enough whoop off the lip, and then what is he doing? And
Check it some more, John.
and then I cased it so bad. That's like, I'm not capable of like rhythmatic stuff. Is that a word? If it is rhythmatic, it sounds like it is. You guys know what I mean. But
Rhythms?
my dad did that for so many years, just rhythm, and I don't have rhythms. Like when he was trying to teach me in Ensenada, in the pro light, like going through the rhythm section, I was like, my only hope is just holding it wide open, and like my car's like you know, you feel. Like a win-win situation. I mean, not for him, but like for us, because like it'll look cool either way. Hey, he's going.
We'll get the views.
Get the view.
You're close. Yeah.
There, but he's not there. You know, he's like there, but not there.
There it is.
It's fine. It's pretty sad. Trying to get a run at the thing that's all squirrely. Go one more. We'll stand a little further.
Whoa, God!
Oh, grease.
You can hit it. Just be careful. Just jump up top. To clear the whole thing, I had to like blip it and brake check it in the air. Just so I bring the front end down so it doesn't clip it into. You don't want to face it.
Wide.
Wide. Polar wide. Telling you, clearing stuff isn't my thing.
car control.
I like the little wall thing. It'll lift you up.
Have you got on 2 wheels on the hump? Around the hump?
Yeah.
You got on 2 wheels there? You can get on 2 wheels around that right-hander too. Like 2 wheels, 2 wheels. It's good car control. So, all right, let's
I'm cold. We go inside. Hop in. Touching that steering wheel, like my whole hand feels like, you know, like you get so cold that like when you hit something at all, it hurts really bad. Your camera's dirty. There you go. So that's it for today. I was sitting in my room, relaxing, drinking my tea, hanging up my laundry, watching my David Dobrik YouTube vlogs, but like, and then my dad texted me. He's like, "Hey, you want to come drive?" And I was like, "I don't have a choice, so let's go." So we went out and we drove. My thing, I was like, it's a little cold. I don't know if I want to drive right now, and kind of regret it a little bit after punching the wheel with my hand freezing, but it's all good. So we drove. And I figured out that, I mean, I already knew I sucked at rhythm, but now I realize like I really suck at it. But other than that, I had fun. So be sure you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, like this video, and be sure you guys buy my merchandise. Don't buy Hayden's, buy mine. Because I get the money, and then we go do more races and more cool stuff. So, and then we put it back in. So like, you guys buy the stuff, you'll pay the money for it, and I put it back in to make more stuff. So if you want more stuff, don't buy Hayden's stuff.
Yeah, nothing broke.
What?
We didn't break anything, so that's good. It's actually fun going out and just hitting a bunch of random stuff. Need to get back into race mode here pretty soon. Gotta get the most out of it right now when the dirt's good, before it gets summer again all hard and dry. So it's kind of like East Coast, but on the West Coast. So it's fun. I'm stoked Polaris hooks us up with these things, so I don't think you can get any better car control than driving these things. They move so much, so it's good. I'm sure Haley's ready to go racing, so back to the track.
I got yelled at for burning the tires off of it, but then he does it, and it's okay.